hadn't really done much traditional before I came to Fashion, and I was so inspired the first year I came that I kind of kept it up and gone on to be in some groups and things, and yeah, it's very inspirational being here with so many amazing young musicians. Now it's like being in a trad orchestra. It's really cool. I like just getting given the music.
In the other one, I like thinking up ideas, like how we can all put our own sort of twist on the story.
Because and everyone's so happy.
Yeah, everyone's having very similar experiences.
Bhí cóis na cáilteachcham agus dúcha cóis na pípa agus nach.
Is cúteach can adjudicator? Bheith tuigéis can soch nach go as éban.
Clóid choirí manran agus nó duine éire Hernelier Jensen Maha agus Shaggy Iki 2 seconds in January agus fine
Joe Spurs second.
Yeah.